Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the coast and I'm here today to show you this marvelous condo A219. Before we go inside, I want to show you that we are on the ground level and I want to show you how easy it is for you to get in and out of this condo to the pool deck. So come on this way. It's literally just a couple of steps and around the corner and you find the door to the outside. The Waterscape pool deck is separated into two levels. This is our top level, then there's a waterfall and it drops down to the bottom level. And that's why we have a split level, is so that we have a waterfall. So this unit is A219. It's on the second floor, but it is ground level on the upper level pool deck. We have the kids' splash pad right here. We have the heated pool right here, and then down those stairs to the first level. All right, come on in. I want to show you around. Come on in. When you first come into this condo, well, you're in the kitchen. And this is a lovely kitchen. We have cut the bar down and added new quartz countertops. We have all new appliances in here. We have a convection oven with an air fryer in it. It's just really marvelous, high-end stuff. I want to show you some of the stuff that's in the kitchen so you'll know what to expect when you get here. The first thing you're going to find here is silverware. And then you have all the kitchen gadgets. Your spatulas, your can opener, all kinds of little spoons, measuring cups, and graters. And then down here we have some Tupperware. I really try to stock the kitchen so that you'll be comfortable and find all the luxuries that you have from home. Over on this side, we have our knife block here and more kitchen utensils here. We have your pot holders here. And then down here, we have our pots and pans. I have Teflon skillets in here, which I do try to keep in good condition. Up under here is you're going to find a pizza pan and some cookie sheets and some other little various things. And then on this side, you're going to find we have a fire extinguisher. We have a toolbox in case you run into a little loose screw or something. You're also welcome to call me if you have any issues. And over here, we have more pots and pans. Things kind of do move around in the kitchen a little bit. I have little labels on everything, but things kind of tend to move around. So if you're looking for something and you don't see it where I said, just check somewhere else. We have some more kitchen linens here. Up in here, we have both glass and plastic dishes. The reason that we have the plastic dishes is because we have grills all around our pool deck and glass is not allowed on the pool deck. So you can just take these plastic dishes and go out and grill with your family and friends. Inside here, we have a front load washer and dryer. I know you don't want to think about laundry on vacation, but if you're coming with a family, it's probably going to be a necessary evil. We have lots of utensils over here. We have both a Keurig and a regular coffee pot, a toaster, waffle maker, there's a rice maker, a crock pot, we have an iron, a blender, a mixer, colander, all the things that you would expect to have at home, I try to have in this condo. All right, let me show you up here. A few little spices and wine glasses. A lot of people ask about spices. Sometimes they're here and sometimes they're not. So don't depend on the spices, but occasionally you might find something. If there's something important to you, make sure to pack it from home. Here we have glass and plastic glasses. Same thing, just so if you want to take a plastic cup out to the pool deck, you're welcome to do that. Or if you have children, you might want to give them the plastic and coffee cups at the top. Over here is just our air conditioner closet. I'm not going to show you in there, but there's a broom and a mop and a dustpan. Over here is our bunk room. And I do want to point out this bunk room has a door. Any bunk room in Waterscape that has a door has been put in by the owner because the bunk rooms did not come with doors. You'll see that this condo has smart TVs on the top and the bottom. And these are your standard twin beds. And then when you come over here, this is our dining area. And I want to point out also we have 3 bar stools under the countertop. So you guys can congregate around while you're cooking. There's plenty of spaces for everyone. This unit sleeps 8 people and there's seating right here for 9. So we are ahead of the game a little bit. This is our living area. This couch right here folds out into a sleeper sofa. So that's how this unit sleeps 8. We sleep 2 in the master, 2 in the guest, 2 on the sofa bed, and 2 in the bunk room. So that is 8. I'm going to take you outside in a moment, but for now, let's go view the master bedroom. This is our master bedroom where we have a king size bed. We have access to the patio outside from this bedroom. This is a nice size bedroom. It's plenty spacious. You know, if you want to put a pack and play or something in here, there's plenty of room to do that. We have light blocking curtains, so when you close them off, it's completely dark in here. And then in the closet, we have a pack and play, a high chair, two beach chairs, and an umbrella. So I want to talk to you about the beach chairs and the umbrella. We do subscribe to beach service, and we subscribe to premium beach service. So you get two chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach every day of your stay. You will also get a kayak and a paddleboard for 1 hour each day of your stay, and that's all included for free. We also provide two extra chairs in the condo with an extra umbrella because usually there's more than two adults in the condo, so that doubles your seating capacity. Also, the beach service only operates from March to October, so if you come from November to February, it'll give you chairs and an umbrella. Or if you stay out after the beach service takes up, you want to go to the fireworks or something like that. Or sometimes the pools get really crowded and you may not be able to find a pool chair, so you can just take my two chairs and you always have a chair. It's a really great idea. I also want to point out this little red wagon right here. The whole point of it is to haul your beach chairs and umbrella and all your kids' toys down to the beach with ease. This is our master bath where we have a large garden tub and a really nice size walk-in shower. We have hair dryer in here and all the linens, of course, are provided, everything that you need. Oh, while we were walking through, I apologize, I forgot to point out the half bath. So we do have a half bath right here. And when I first bought Waterscape condos, I thought this was so silly, but it turns out it's the bathroom that is most frequently used. This is our guest bedroom. We have another king size bed here. We also have patio access from this bedroom, which is really nice for you to sneak in and out in the mornings for your morning coffee. We have a fan in here, and there's extra, the blankets and pillows for the sofa bed are in the closets. So make sure you check out and see what all is in the closets hiding around. And this is our guest bath, still a really nice size, a little smaller than the master, but we still have a nice garden tub and a plenty large enough walk-in shower. We have a single vanity here, and we have a hair dryer in this restroom as well. So now I'm going to take you outside and show you what we have going on. Come on out. So we're on the back side of the Waterscape building, and you can see the beach. I do not advertise this as a beach view, but it is down there if you want to look at it. The view here is, you know, it's not the best view, but the condo is priced accordingly. So this is going to be on the cheaper side of the two bedrooms. And to be honest, it is quite lovely out here. It's quiet. You don't hear a lot of, you know, pool noise or car noise. There's the palm trees are nice, and you know, you kind of see people walking by, so there's stuff to look at. We do have very nice furniture on this patio. We have two Pollywood loungers right here, and we have outdoor seating. This Pollywood set here, this seats 6 people. And then we have a deck box full of toys for your kids to use. It's quite lovely. We have morning sun, so you will see the sunrise from this condo. And you also can actually see, if you come here in the summertime, you will be able to see the fireworks that they shoot off from Destin. And they also shoot fireworks off of our pier, which you will see pop up behind this hotel. So that's kind of cool. I mentioned to you before when we first started the tour about this condo being ground level, and that is really one of the reasons why you would book this condo, is just for the convenience to the pool deck. Also, if not sure if you noticed, but the finishes inside here are very, very nice. We have all new flooring, the kitchen remodel. We have nice furniture and nice beds. It's as beautiful as they come. I also want to talk for just a second about some of the activities that we have on our pool deck. We have a movie at the pool every week. We have a glow party with a DJ. We have a pirate show, a rubber ducky race. We have a bubble party. There's poolside bingo. We have scavenger hunt. There's just a ton of stuff going on. So once you get here at Waterscape, you really don't have to leave the resort because there's so much to do right here. So it's just a super convenient place to bring your family and just relax for a bit. The beach is about 80 yards from your door. You just walk out there and you will be in paradise. Come on back in and I'll tell you goodbye. I am Danica on the Coast, and I manage these condos. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.